Hello and welcome. Here's a quick video showcasing and using 3D in outdoor space. Take a look. I have an outdoor site plan open. I've placed a few elements, including a marquee and various outdoor and exhibition items. Now, if I click on 3D, the system automatically generates a 3D version of the floor plan. The best part? You can share this 3D view with your clients using a simple link. It can be sent via SMS, email, or even embedded in your marketing materials. Clients don't need any special software, just the link. I can zoom into specific areas, and everything is to scale. Need measurements? Simply select 2 points, like from here, and the exact distance appears instantly. Clients can also interact with the layout by moving objects. For example, if they want to reposition an item, they can do so easily to visualize different configurations. This feature works with all types of plans. Here's another example. Just like before, the system generates a detailed 3D view, including exhibit setups, stage arrangements, seating layouts, and more. No matter how complex the plan is, everything is scaled accurately in 3D. If you use Google Earth images, the surrounding roads and landscape are also included in the 3D view. Best of all, every single existing plan and event draw can be instantly transformed into 3D. Give it a try and bring your layouts to life. To take it a step further, each item includes a see-through option, letting you view the contents inside the marquee tents. Just click this button. It's that simple. This applies to indoor plans as well, making it an incredibly powerful feature. To share it with your clients, simply send them the link. It's that easy.